Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Robo Day.
Start with this because I think there's a debate around, oh, robots are here to take people's jobs away. And I'm completely against that. I believe robots are here to help enable doing work combined with people.
Our design is really trying to minimize the touch points, minimize the tooling, minimize the amount of components that you need in order to place a module, final install the rail, and install the tracker, right? I understand that the combination of our tracker and your Cosmic One, is it?
That's right.
Is a really great combination.
This piece of equipment picks up pallets of solar modules. With our computer vision system, we can locate the modules, move the arm over, we can see the racking, and then go and place it out on the tube in the field, and that alleviates the heavy lifting from the labor and allows them to be safer first and foremost,
yes,
and more productive.